Behind me is my living hell. My living hell. Cars piled up. Trouble cars, headache cars, straightforward work. Plus I got a ton of them out front, and I cannot find a competent mechanic to save my life. There's none left. It's that simple. I'm telling you right now, this field is the worst to find help. Why should someone be a mechanic when they can go work at the MTA? They can work at Con Ed. They can work at the police station fixing their cars. They can get a lot of money, do nothing, and get benefits and everything else. I mean, shit. Why does somebody want to work in an air-conditioned shop with all the latest and greatest tools needed and the fancy cars? Why do they want to bother? That's what this world's coming down to. So you know what's going to happen? Everybody that owns these cars, well, they're going to pay, and they're going to pay dearly to get them done. Because you know what? When guys like me can't find help, that means we have to work, and that really sucks. I don't want to work anymore. So, unfortunately, prices are going up. And dealers over here are on the verge of going north of $200 per hour. That's right, north of $200 an hour. Now, their hour is 1.2 of mine, and I'm 145 an hour. But I think I'm about to jump up to 200 an hour also. This way I can get rid of some of the headaches and the work that I want to do and stick to what I do want to do. So if anybody thinks they can fix these cars, anybody has a brain, anybody can find a current draw on an ML, get the valve body right on the CLK, fix the suspension on the 550, rebuild the transmission on the 320, come on down. I got a job for you, and it's a good one. And I pay. Believe me, I pay. I pay. Problem is, they all walk in with their chest out, their mouth open, and their hand out. And they all say, I can, I can, I can. And then they work here for a week and find that they suck, and they can't. So, for what it's worth, the automotive industry has gone to shit in the area of help. So